Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Shout Outcast HTML and CSS. This is day 5 and I'm going to teach you guys how to put an image on your website. So real fast before we begin start doing code, let's go on Google and find a picture. If you want to use the same one that I'm using, I'm going to use a circle and I'm going to go to images. I'm going to use this very first one right here. Right click, save image as, and then locate where your HTML file is. Mine is right here. And so I'm going to save it as circle.gif. I downloaded Circle a lot today. And alright, so now let's begin. We're going to go bracket img. img is for image and defines that there's going to be an image. And then src for source. And we're going to go type in circle.gif. I'll tell you why that in a second. And then width equal sign, quote, quote, and then height. And then ending bracket. That's all you need. There's no ending bracket itself, like that, or else you'll mess up the whole page. And so that's all you need. Now, the reason you put circle.gif, and that's all you put, is because your image is located in the same folder as the file we are working with. We're in index.html. And the GIF is right here, same exact folder, so that's all you put. Now let's go ahead and make sure it works, and there you go. And it's nice, it's really good to get in the habit of putting the width and the height of the picture. So you can get it right here, width by height, and it's going to be 386 I think it was, px, and 365 px. It's going to do exactly the same thing, but it's nice to have that. And so we got it working and everything. Now, when you start working on bigger websites in the future, you're going to want a folder with all of your images. You don't want 100 circles and 100 HTML files all in the same folder itself. You want a little bit of organization. So we are going to right click and go to new folder, and we're going to call it images, and we're just going to drag our circled image right in there. And now what we need to do is, because the circle and the index are no longer in the same area, we'll have to go through images and then circle. So let's go ahead and type in images and then a forward slash. The forward slash means you're going to a different folder pretty much. It's the same way, it's the same thing as in when you're working on a Windows machine. You're going folder to folder to folder to folder. And so let's go ahead and test it. And there it is. Image is pretty simple. Not really too much to get into about it. But, oh, real fast. There's something you never want to do. You don't want to put bigger dimensions than the picture actually is. So let's do 1000 by 1000. Show you guys what that looks like. The reason you don't want to use bigger dimensions, you can see, is it gets very pixelated. So in a case you ever want a bigger picture, you have to go in Photoshop and recreate the whole entire thing, or you know, something like that, because it just gets too pixelated when you're going bigger. You never want to go bigger than the actual file size, but you can go smaller. Go as small as you want. Let's do 100 by 100, 100 by 10. Actually, no, it's not going to fit. Let's do 10 by 10. Now you can see it's a perfect circle. It's not pixelated. It's just very small. It's very tiny. So smaller, good. Bigger than the original photo, bad. Don't do it. Pixelated. Pixelated. Bad. Bad. So that's it for image. Hope you guys learned a little bit. And yeah, check out the next video. If you guys need any help, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys soon.